We've been working out of our newly renovated kitchen for over a month now, and I want to go over 3 things that I love about our kitchen and 3 things I kind of regret doing. If you're new to the channel, my name's Connor, and we had a fire in our garage that caused smoke damage all throughout the property. So essentially we needed to rip everything out and start from scratch. So that gave us the freedom, especially with this kitchen, to move it that was once in the front of the house all the way in the back. And then we took the time to build the kitchen from the ground up. So we put on new cabinets, countertops, appliances, but that's a little backstory. So let's go ahead and jump into the first thing that I like about this kitchen is the countertops. So for the countertops, we went with quartzite over quartz. Quartzite's more of a natural stone. Quartz is man-made. So you're gonna get more of that natural look. I forget the colorway. I'll probably leave it right here when my wife reminds me.
Hey, what's the color of our countertops?
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal?
Taj Mahal.
Keep in mind, this kitchen is around 250 square feet, so total it took about 2 slabs to complete. So the contractor came in about 3 days, put it all together, and it cost just about $9,000. If we were to go to the quartz route, it'd be about, half that, probably $4,500, $4,000. And we did pay a little bit extra to go with this waterfall effect. I really like how it ties the whole kitchen together. When you first walk in, it's like a statement piece on the island. We also told the contractor that, hey, when we install the countertops, we do want to do the backsplash. So we just continued the countertop, same material of the backsplash, going up about 18 inches. It has about a 2-inch ledge that, you can kind of stick little salt, pepper, spices above there. I do wish we could conceal these outlets a little bit better, but that's another topic for another day. The next up is the cabinets. We went with RTA style cabinets. So what that means is ready to assemble. I'll leave a link down below exactly where I got them from. I don't get any commission out of it at all. I just highly recommend their product. If you have a little bit of DIY experience and also like to save money, these are the cabinets for you. All the cabinets are made out of 100% plywood. There's no MDF in them whatsoever. Every drawer comes with soft close slides and soft close hinges for the cabinets. If you didn't want to go the RTA route and still wanted the cabinets to come assembled, you could. Same type of link, same product. It's just the price almost doubles, and it was about $20,000, $21,000. Going the RTA route, it was about $8,500. Each cabinet took about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour to build, but the app just was so seamless. It's called the Built app. It just kind of runs through every product. It's like a 3D image. There's no booklets. It's not like you're building IKEA shelves or anything like that, but it just makes it super easy to build and just can't recommend it enough. So if you're looking to save money and also looking to upgrade your cabinets, again, hit that link below. The last thing I really enjoy about our kitchen is gas appliances. I've had electric stoves all my life, but this house came with propane already hooked into it. So we were like, hey, let's just utilize the line instead of ripping it all out. It's already here. We went with a gas stove, and we also have a gas washer and dryer. But for the stove, oh man, it's night and day difference from electric to gas, especially when you're trying to heat up food, heat up water. It just boils things so much quicker, and I just really enjoy cooking on it. So we talked about the countertops, the cabinets, and the gas appliances. Now let's talk into some stuff that I kind of regret doing in our kitchen. Let's talk about this farmhouse sink. I told you I love the RTA cabinets. However, when picking out the base sink, they didn't have a specific cutout for the farmhouse. So I just had to get creative and make one myself. I removed the drawers, cut her out around it. What I didn't take into account is the new cabinet fronts that I have to make, because now it's shorter. I can't reuse the ones that I have. So that's gonna kind of be a pain in the butt. So right now we have this temporary little curtain to kind of cover everything. But in the future, I'm gonna have to make doors, and it is gonna be a little bit tricky trying to match this cabinet grade finish in the paint. It's something that you can't roll on or you can't brush stroke it. It's got to be completely sprayed with an airless paint sprayer, and it's got to be clean, or you're going to notice that it's a DIY. Next up is not enough accent lights. When I installed this LED strip in our kitchen island and surprised my wife, I didn't realize how cool it was, especially when all the lights are off. It just changes the whole vibe in the room. And then the 2 pennant lights that come down from the island. Something that I wish we can add, and we will in the future, is just more undermount cabinet lighting. We do have 2 temporary lights on there now that we got from Amazon. They're just little sticky ones, just stick up there and put in the toe kick, and they're motion detected. So when I come in from the hallway, try to get some coffee early in the morning, just walk past and they turn on. They are kind of janky, so it's not permanent, but at the end of the day, I want all the cabinets and pantry cabinets to have undermount lighting. So something that I do regret is just not incorporating like actual pantry space, like a walk-in pantry. I don't know where I would put it. There is a couple ideas in mind. I know it's kind of weird, but I do have space above the staircase. There's like a little area that, you know, I'd have to make it, of course. Now, don't think this is me complaining. It's just something I'm looking back now that I should have incorporated when me and my wife were first designing it. So those are the 3 things that I genuinely like about our kitchen, and then 3 things that I kind of wish I had a do-over or thought more about before doing it. If you're interested in any of these kitchen renovation videos, I'll leave kind of one right here to get you started, but feel free to check them all out on my YouTube channel. Make sure to smash that like button. Follow along for the videos. There's gonna be a ton more projects that we're gonna tackle, but I'm out of here. Hope you guys have a good night. I'll see you on the next one.